How to update contact information in Zelle. First of all, open the Zelle app on your device or access it through your bank's mobile app and log into your account. Next, go to your profile or account settings, usually located at the bottom or top right corner of the app. Once in the profile section, look for account or feature settings and tap on Zelle settings. Here you will see your current contact information such as your phone number and email address associated with your Zelle account. To update your email, tap on the unlink option next to your current email, then enter the new email you want to use and save the changes. Similarly, to update your phone number, tap on link or edit next to your current number, enter the new phone number and confirm the update. Make sure your updated contact information is correct, as this is how others will send money to you through Zelle. Following these steps will ensure your contact information is always up to date, making sending and receiving money through Zelle smooth and hassle-free. Now you know how to update your contact information in Zelle. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.